Hello guys, if you want, it's difficult to, after your design, you design like this everything on your Photoshop and you want to save it to JPG. How can you save it to JPG? Okay, so if you find it difficult to save image to JPG after your design, let's assume now you want to you design a thumbnail and you want to save it to JPG so that it can be easier for you to upload on your YouTube channel. How can you do that? The first thing to do is to just come down to this area. As you can see, you go to the file. After the file, you can see various options here, but you just have to come to the export. Okay, when you come down to the export, where to go directly is to just come to export as. Okay, you just have to click on it like this. By the time you click on it like this, you just have to come down to this area. As you can see, I have been saving things here. There you can see PNG, JPG and GIF. Okay, so whatever you like this, but today's video is about JPG. Okay, just click on JPG like this. Okay, as you can see, you have saved it directly to JPG like that, so you just have to come down here and you export it. Okay, so when you export it, just have to name it. You can name it anyhow, just name it so that you can remember any name that you can use to remember it, and you save it directly like this, so automatically it has saved. Okay, so that is how you can save directly to JPG. Okay guys, if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned for the next update. Peace.